सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
On October 20, NASA's OSIRIS-REx Origins Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security Regolith Explorer spacecraft briefly touched asteroid Bennu. It has to collect samples of dust and pebbles and deliver them back to Earth in the year 2023. The asteroid was named after an Egyptian deity by a 9-year-old boy from North Carolina in 2013. The asteroid was discovered by a team from the NASA-funded Lincoln Near-Earth Asteroid Research Team in the year 1999. In today's edition of RDNS, we will be talking about asteroid Bennu and the mission, and also we will know why is it important. Let us first understand what is an asteroid. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, much smaller than the planets. These are also known as minor planets. Asteroids are basically divided into three classes. The first, those who are found in the main asteroid belt between the planets Mars and Jupiter, and they are estimated to contain somewhere between 1.1 to 1.9 million asteroids. The second group is of Trojans. These are asteroids that share an orbit with a larger planet. NASA reports the presence of Jupiter, Neptune, and Mars Trojans. Back in 2011, an Earth Trojan was also reported. The third classification is near-Earth asteroids (NEA), which have orbits that pass close by the Earth. Those that cross the Earth's orbit are called Earth crossers. More than 10,000 such asteroids are known, out of which over 1,400 are classified as potentially hazardous asteroids. Now moving further, let us know what is the OSIRIS-REx mission. This mission is first of NASA's mission meant to return a sample from the ancient asteroid. The mission is essentially a 7-year-long voyage and will conclude when at least 60 grams of samples are delivered back to the Earth. As per NASA, the mission promises to bring the largest amount of extraterrestrial material back to our planet since the Apollo era. The mission was launched back in 2016 and reached its target in the year 2018. Since then, the spacecraft has been trying to match the velocity of the asteroid using small rocket thrusters. It also utilized this time to survey the surface and identify potential sites to take the samples. Very recently, the spacecraft's robotic arm called the Touch and Go Sample Acquisition Mechanism, that is TAGSAM, made an attempt to tag the asteroid at a sample site which was no bigger than a few parking spaces and collected a sample. The spacecraft comprises of 5 instruments meant to explore Bennu, including cameras, a spectrometer, and a laser altimeter. The departure window for the mission will open up in 2021, after which it will take over 2 years to reach back to Earth. Why the scientists are studying Bennu? Bennu is an asteroid about as tall as the Empire State Building, and it is located at a distance of about 200 million miles away from the Earth. Scientists study asteroids to look for information about the formation and history of planets and the Sun, since asteroids were formed at the same time as other objects in the solar system. The other reason for tracking them is to look for asteroids that might be potentially be hazardous. Significantly, Bennu hasn't undergone drastic changes since its formation over billions of years ago, and therefore it contains chemicals and rocks dating back to the birth of the solar system. It is also very close to the Earth. How do the chemicals and rocks offer scientists clues about the solar system? Because of the Bennu's age, it is likely to contain material that contains molecules that were present when life first formed on Earth, where life forms are based on carbon atom chains. Further, scientists search to uncover the role asteroids rich in organics played in catalyzing life on Earth. Now the next question here is, what do we know about the asteroid so far? So far, we know that the asteroid is a B-type asteroid. That means it contains significant amount of carbon and various other materials. Because of its high carbon content, the asteroid reflects about 4% of the light that hits it, which is very low when compared with a planet like Venus, which reflects around 65% of the light that hits it, and our planet Earth reflects about 30%. Around 20 to 40% of Bennu's interior is empty space, while scientists believe that it was formed in the first 10 million years of the solar system's formation, implying that it is roughly 4.5 billion years old. As per the high-resolution photographs taken by the spacecraft, the surface of the asteroid is covered in massive boulders, making it more difficult to collect samples from its surface. There is a slight possibility that Bennu, which is classified as a near-Earth object (NEO), might strike the Earth in the next century between the years 2175 and 2199.